Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Hooked on Reeling. Today, we're going for a slam. Alright, slam, trout, snook, tarpon, redfish. I don't know about a tarpon. Definitely going to try for a red. So, that's what we're going to go for today. We got 3 baits I'm going to use all day. The NLBN mini mullet. Okay, this is the 1/16 weighted hook. Okay, it comes with a flasher. Just take the flasher off. This is, I haven't tried this one yet, but this is the 3.75 inch NLBN paddle tail. Okay, they had the 3-inch one. The 3-inch one comes up here, you know, but you get that extra 3/4 inch on it. So this bait looks really, really good. Excited to try it. My favorite color, that mud minnow, is deadly. That is deadly right there. And then we have the Salt Strong shrimp with the mushroom head. I believe this is 1/16 as well for a weight. So we're gonna try a few different things. Hopefully this audio sounds good. I'll put a, sorry about that. I'll put a picture up of kind of what I look like. I look like I'm actually filming a freaking movie. I went and bought the media mod for the GoPro, so I have like the microphone now. I have an external battery pack so I can record all day, especially after our last video. This should help me record all day with no issues. This should last like this should be like a 2-day thing. I'll put everything in the description of what I'm using. Today's going to be the first day. I'm just testing out. I've never used it before, but you can switch the microphone to the front, to the back. So we're gonna try a few different things. Oh man. That is the worst. Puffers, that's what that is. That's a puffer. Got one. Man, the camera just shut off too. Saying my SD card. There's some good head shakes on this fish. What is it? Yeah, it's a trout. It's a nice one. Yeah, loosen up on the drag. In case she wants to run. That's a nice trout. Man, it's just shallow. That's like only 1.5 foot up there on that flat. There's a mullet pretty much coming out of the water. Alright. Let me get this trout. Yeah, my GoPro's saying that the SD card, I need like a V30 or something, so I'll just have to update that. Because it won't do hindsight, so you might miss some bites today. But that's okay, we're gonna get them. I wet my hand first. Look at that beautiful fish, huh? Beautiful fish. Got the NLBN right in the corner. Paper mouth. Let's get a measurement real quick. That is a 17-inch fish. Beautiful trout. Alright, there she goes. Shallow out there. Extreme. There's one. Oh, good lordy. My God. I just yanked that fish completely out of the water. What is that? Snagged it. Tried to eat. A little pinfish. Man, I should throw him out there. He's already got him in the gills. You want to talk about a big one. I'll let him go. Nice and slow. Using that 1/8 ounce jig head. There he is. Told you. Nice and slow. And trout. They love that. 1/8 ounce. Even lighter. I mean, if you can find a jig head that is just, oh, easy release. There he is. Right there. Right on the drop off too. It comes up 1.5, 2 foot. Boom. Right down to 7, 8. So that's the channel right here. Look at that tag end. Wow, who tied that on? It's working. Okay. People are crazy about it. You know, I've caught these trout on 30, 40 pound test. I mean, oh, you gotta use that 15, 20. Yeah, okay. You keep to it then. Yeah, and then when you hook into a big snook, guess what happens? You're gonna fray off and you're gonna lose them. So, well, them porpoises are eating up there, huh? It's crazy. We're gonna keep working this drop off, catch a few more trout, like I said, and move it on. We're gonna probably get up to this point and then call it quits there, maybe. I don't know. It's, oh golly. Might as well just keep it on for a second if they're right here. There's one. God. Yeah, that's the cast right there. It's gonna get one. Maybe not. Maybe not. Oh, there he was. Oh. How'd you miss it twice? How did you miss it twice? Oh, what is that? That's a shark. Look at that. Little shark right here. What's it, 2 sharks? Yeah, it is 2 little bonnet heads. Right here. See him cruising? Oh, one went that way. Oh, look, there's another one. Good Lord. Look, there's another one. Oh my God. Look at all of them. That's crazy. Huh. Never seen them all together like that. That's pretty cool. A lot of bonnet heads. Well, let's not catch a trout right now. Chew it up before I even get it in. Right up in the sunshine. Right in the glare. Oh, buddy. Got him. It's small. Small. Don't get sharked. Who would think you get sharked on the flats? Huh? Them bonnet heads. What? Again? Snagging a pinfish? Oh, buddy. Oh, that's a good one. It's an average one. Just liquid with that flash. Oh, yeah. Trout. I knew we were going to get one here. Looks way too good to be true. I'm going to spot lock us. Stay right here. I'm going to try a different lure while we're fishing our way out of here. It's a nice one. I'm not mad at that. Oh, there's sharks around. I probably shouldn't dip my hand in here. It's alright. What I'm going to do is wet my hand. I'll pick them up right into the hand. Look at the beauty. Huh? Man, they can come out so easy. Measurement 18 upper slot. Okay. Boom. We're gonna throw in the NLBN mini mullet now. Let's see if we can't get one on that. Doug. Goose. Oh, buddy. Top water eat. That was sick. No, it came off. No. Come back for it. Oh, man. I hope you guys saw that. That was crazy. Man, that was a good one, too. This damn drag's so tight. Smoked it. Hook wrapped around. Popped out. This thing's seen better days. Ooh. What was that? Oh my God. Stop it right now. Oh my God, guys. Big snook. Big snooks. Right here. Oh, I just scared him. Guys, there's a whole pot of snook right here. Got him. Got him. Oh no. And that's why you don't use that damn light line. I knew it when I tied this up. I gotta change this line up. Well, I hit the salt strong shrimp, the prawn. There's another, well, that's probably the same one. He's sitting right there. But there's gonna be more along these rocks. Dang it, man. That's a nice trout there. Mm-hmm. Let me get this up because there's a porpoise right here. Oh, come here, baby. Come on. You're a big girl. Smoked it. Right in the corner of the mouth. Okay. There she goes. Look at that one. That's a nice one there. That one's probably 19. Oh, 18 again. Beautiful fish. Ah, that's about the same size. Oh, there's another one with it. Oh, wow, that's cool. Man, these trout are loaded. He smoked that thing. Smoked it. They're going to be all through this entire flat. That's crazy. Let this one calm down. There's no way that porpoise can get up here. It is way too shallow. I'm going to let this trout just calm down a little bit. I just took a cast because I'm just working my way out of here. Another one. That was pretty fast. That was literally the next cast. Come on, baby. Beautiful, healthy fish. Come on, season. Open up. Okay, guys. So these BKK hooks that are pretty much made for, well, not just made for NOBM, but that's usually what we use them for, in my area at least. Anyway, they come with the spinner. So these trout are on fire right now. I've never used the spinner. I always take the spinner off, right? But that's kind of how it sits. So it'll be, I'm gonna put the K-tail on. Oh, sorry, it's too high. Okay, so that's the spinner right there. That's the lock you lock your bait onto. and it's gonna sit just like that with that spinner underneath. I want to see if it works. I'm almost positive it will, especially with the amount of trout that are out here right now, but we're gonna give it a shot. Let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah, look at that with the spinner underneath and that tail moving. That's gonna be deadly. All right, let's see. There we go, finally. Oh yeah. That's a trout. What are them head shakes? Oh man, he let go. No. God, those were some big head shakes. What's that paper mouth? And the hook barely even stuck. Oh no, probably, I don't know. Well, let's try again. That's something. Chilling there, and see what it was though. We got a little snook. There we go, trout and snook on the board. Don't you cut me. Little snook. Oh, buddy. Got him that time. Oh, no. Oh, my God. That was a big fish. Whatever it was big. That hook just didn't stick at all. That's a shame. Oh, man, that was a big one. Got him. That's another good one. What is it? Man, it's fighting like a trout. Loosen that drag up a little bit. Yeah, it's a nice trout. I say, man, that last one was big then. That's a nice one. Still catching trout. Trout has come back in full swing in this area. Let me tell you something. You could fish the whole season and only catch like 2 trout before. When I first got into this area, anyway, Lagoon was struggling in the south. Struggling. But now, you can almost go anywhere. If you see some seagrass, you're gonna catch some trout. I can tell you that. So, let's get them back, keep them healthy, and keep fishing. Oh, buddy, golly, smoked that thing. Smoked it. That's gonna be another one. Another trout. They are on fire. Oh yeah. There we go. There we go with the live action. There we go with some live action. All these boats driving by all these fish. Oh, oh, look at that. The lure came off and I caught him in the net. Get out of there. Come here, Bubba. That's pretty cool. Alrighty. I'll sit here and keep doing this for a little bit. We did get that one snook, so can't count it out yet. And these fish are crushing the bait. So let me stick around and keep fishing these for a second. Guys, as soon as I clicked the GoPro off, just got smoked again. These fish are loaded up right here. This is insane. That's 4 fish in, I don't even know, probably 5 minutes. This one's fighting. Oh my God, oh my God. Let me keep that drag a little looser. Oh, there we go. See, I just said, caught a snook. Let's not count it out. And guess what? Not even 2 seconds, because the GoPro couldn't even click back on in time. We catch a snook. Another one. Look at that. There we go. That's what we like to see. Snook action, trout action. And we just need flounder, red, tarpon. That'd be pretty cool. There he is. Got him that time. Oh, what is that, a ladyfish? Oh, there we go. A little action. Oh, it's a cuda. Probably tore my bait up, cutting my line. Big stinking nasty fish. A lot of people say they're good. I don't know. I'm not trying it. Not me. Leave them for them. You might as well just cut my line. He's got the whole lure down in there. God, I don't want to grab that nasty stinking thing. Alrighty. Fish is a fish. Bait goes pull and drag. Don't you bite my net. Don't you bite my net. Oh, I can see my knot. No, I can't. Alright, let's try and get him. Got him right there at the boat. That was sick. That was crazy, that trout. Came right up alongside of the boat. They're out here. I mean, I don't even know why I'm moving. I should have just stayed where I was and just switched it up, casting a different spot. They're everywhere. That was a nice one. I mean, they're all nice ones, but that was pretty cool. It ate right at the side of the boat. All right, let's get back out. I'm just gonna spot lock right up here by this pole, and then we'll keep fishing this point. That current's kind of hooking around, so that's why they're all here. Oyster bar up here as well. So let's get after them. Got him. Oh, I got off. No way. There he is. Same cast. 2 hits. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? That's gonna be a trout, isn't it? Please don't be another kudo. That's a nice trout. I say that every time, don't I? That's a nice trout. That's a nice snook, yeah. Alright. Oh, man, am I hooked on reeling? I'll tell you that. Hooked on reeling. Don't want these trout flopping all around. Try to save them, you know, because that slime. If you guys don't know, do your research, please. The slime on these fish is their only protective coating. You take that off, beat them all up and shit, you throw them back, they start to get growth and all kinds of stuff going on with them. Look it up. But that one's gonna live another day. Hopefully till season. I feel like now's when you would want that spinner. Oh, buddy. There we go. Man, right next to the channel too. This just blows my mind. What is this? Is that a trout? Yes, it is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Little guy. All right, Mr. Trout. You calm down. Oh shit, guys. Wet the hand. Oh. There you go. Wet the hand and then they get right off. So that's what you gotta do. Every time. Every single time. There we go. Jack attack. Little jack attack. Oh boy, you better swim fast, Bubba, because that porpoise is gonna get you. Give me my bait. Oh my God, I just stopped it. Unreal, I stopped it to hit the trolling motor camera, the trolling motor, to kick it on. Oh, and he got off because I'm sitting here messing around. That sucks. Oh, yup. That might be the one. Oh, is that a monster trout? I think it is. That's a monster trout. Yeah. Man, they just hit different too. That shit hits different. Look at them. Ooh, buddy. Keep them porpoises away. Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's an overslot for sure. Come on. Come to the net. Whoa. What are you doing? Oh. Gotcha. Good measure in the net so I don't even have to mess with it too much. That fish is pinched tail, 20 3/4. 20 3/4. There she goes. Alright guys, this is a test. I was filming in wide view all day, but when I got all this extra stuff on me now, so I just want to see what the super view looks like. The super view used to be super fish bowly, you know, it would just make everything look super far away when it's really not. Everything looked a lot smaller. God, this is a really good spot here. So I'm gonna film the rest of the day in this and see how it looks. There he is, right on the oyster bar. Little Snook. Ooh. Oh, there he goes. These hooks are just not sticking today, are they? Oh, buddy. That was a good one. There he is. Oh, what we got? What we got? That's a snake. Oh, no. Oh my God. Whoa. What the heck? Did you guys just see that? I literally just I lost the fish, slung my bait back down like that, and then a trout hit it. Right here. Look. There's probably more trout down there. That was crazy. What? Got him. Whoa. That's a good fish, whatever it is. I hope it's a red. This reel is toasted, guys, by the way. The Shimano Stratic. I've had it for probably going on 8 years now. I've never got it serviced. I gotta do that. This feels like a trout now. The head shakes. Small hook. It's gonna be a good fish. Yep, nice trout. Right on that oyster bed back there too. That's a good one. Yep. Oh, that's a good one. Yes, sir. Comment now. Oh. All right. Oh, come here. Oh, the nut's messed up. Okay. Right. Man, held that. All right, beautiful trout. Don't you dare flip on me now. All right, 20 1/4. Another beautiful trout. Oh, lively. Not the release I wanted, but when they're green like that and you get them in, take care of them. Swim off to see another day. That's what we like. All right. Let's keep doing that. Oh, that was good. It's a trout day today. Trout day. Small snooks. Salt strong. Once again, good job. Oh, guys, I forgot to hit the hindsight, but we're back on again. That's going to be another trout shaking the head like that. Oh yeah, that's another slot. Man, there's so many trout here now. Oh, he just coughed up something. Yeah, it's my shrimp tail. Really? This guy's full of life. Come here. All right. Here we go. Oh, buddy. What we got? No snook. No, it's another trout. Yeah, trout. Shaking his head like that. There we go. Another trout. Look right up. Oop. It's another slot fish for sure. 15 to 19. That's another nice trout. Yeah, that's an upper slot. And that's probably like 19 and a half. Guys, I'm not trying, I mean, I guess I'm trying for him now, but this isn't, I mean, that's an oyster bar. I was going to say it's not really a trout spot, but then it's an oyster bar, so it is. But you just never catch trout like this. You know, especially on a Saturday. With everyone going by, it's just, I don't know, this is amazing. I'm not complaining, I'm just trying to figure it all out. I come out here and do this every day. Don't you bite me. Big yellow mouth. Come on, get that out of there. There we go. Look at that, let's just measure, just 18. God, they're so beautiful. Got him. Another one. Another one. I'm smoking them. This is crazy. There's so many. You know, I fished the backside of that and got nothing. Got that one little snook. Come on the front side with the wind blowing to the west, out of the east. Smoking them. It's like they're just posted up in front of it, catching all the bait. Yes, sir. I am loving it. Salt strong. Shout out. Those porpoises probably messed it up. Oh, maybe not. Oh, got him. Man, I gotta get this real oiled up. Oh, that's another one. Another good one. These are all slot fish. Well, some of them over, but that's a good one. That's a small one, but that's fat. When I say good one, I just mean healthy. There we go. Look, no tail. Let's see if I can get him with no tail. Let's just see if it's a reaction bite. Oh yeah. Felt you, little dude. This is another nice one. They're staying down, but you can feel the weight of them. Look at that. Come here, Bubba. Hey. Right in the roof of the mouth. Don't put your fingers in the trout's mouth. They got teeth. Shoot. That was a skinny one. Oh, yeah. Man, they just crush it. They're stacked back there on that little flat. They're right next to this oyster bar, and there's a flat, and you can tell it's dark, so there's some grass there, but it is not a significant amount. It is just one little patch right here, and they are loaded up in that. Loaded for no reason. Never even fished this spot. I didn't even know this bar was here. That's the greatest thing. I've been fishing this area for 8 years. Never found this bar. Just came across this island, or came around this island. You know, saw the bar. I encourage you guys to try new spots, new things, and just ride around on the boat and check new stuff out. Every day I come out, I'm pretty much exploring. I'm always trying a different area, but I'll break it down in sections and I'll fish it to where, you know, I'm gonna fish the front side, or I'm gonna fish the back side where the current's ripping around. You know, and I just keep trying these new things, different spots, different times of the year with different baits, different lures. And that's, a lot of people are like, oh man, you catch so many fish. Yeah, well, I'm trying new things all the time. I mean, I can always go back. If I'm not catching something, I can always go back to a spot where I've caught them before and do what I need to do. But oh, let me get this hook out. There we go. Come on. There we go. Another beautiful trout. But yeah, I'm always trying another spot. At least once in the day, you know. One part of the day, like the morning or the afternoon, whatever. I'm always trying something new. Like today, I was planning on trying to catch a ladyfish and using that ladyfish as chunk bait in the mangroves. I've yet to catch a redfish or a snook doing that, and I really want to try it. And it's winter time, and it seems like a good time to do it. A lot of ladyfish around. Reds move up in the mangroves, but you know, we got a little sidetracked today because we're gonna sit here and slay these trout until it's the end of the day. I'm gonna show you guys just how many you can catch when you come out here and you get on them. Just keep fishing it, break it down, keep trying new things. But I mean, if I would have fished that spot this morning for trout a little bit more, I probably would have caught a lot more fish today. But look, already got enough. Just hit the water. Oh my god, that is insane. They're back there thick. Oh god, here comes the porpoises. You guys are about to see it happen. It's not good. Not good. We gotta get this trout in. I'm just gonna sling him in the boat. So that's a nice one too. Oh my god, come here. Come here, Bubba. Oof. There we go. Alright, gotcha. Well, porpoises found them. They're back there going nuts. 19. Go ahead. No porpoises around. The fish is good. Porpoises went over there right where I'm casting. Look, there they are. Way back there. So they went through. That's good. Alright. I didn't even turn the camera off and got that one. Amazing. So, we're going to keep catching them up. You guys keep track of how many fish we catch today. Oh, yup. We're back on. And we're back on. That's 5 cast, 5 fish. Huh? How about that? I think I found them. We're gonna let these fish rest a little bit though, and try to go find another spot. I hate leaving fish, but we are trying to catch that red. Maybe if there wasn't so many trout, it's never anything to complain about. Come on, come here. Beautiful. Bah. I was just right there. Guys, I just snagged my line right there, right where I just casted. Pulled the boat all the way up in there, got my line out, came back out, spot locked, first cast, boom, fish. It's like, they're just attracted to that area. There must be tons of bait. But this trout is on the NLBN 3-inch shrimp with the Salt Strong. Well, it's actually not a Salt Strong jig head, but same jig head I was using for the Salt Strong, but it's that mushroom head. All right, another nice trout. Come here. Whoa, 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 whoa. See, look, the only thing about these NLBNs, I'll tell you, 1 second, let me get this fish out of here. Go ahead, Joe. Sorry, Bubba. You got that rubber net so it doesn't hurt their slime, okay? So you guys know, you make the rubber net. I mean, it's better than the rope net. But, so, these, I will say, you can literally, like, look, they just pick apart. I don't know. That's the one thing about these. That's why I don't use them too much. You'll never really see me use these. Just pinfish, snapper, anything around that can bite these off, or just that's got teeth, done. Look, I can cut it with my nail. So that's the one downside about the NLBN. I love all their other baits, but their shrimp, it's just not very tough, I will say. I mean, look at all these baits. Look at them all. All these baits, they just rip right apart, and they're super expensive. So, I mean, it's a give and take. You know, they catch fish, but you're gonna pay a lot of money to keep them in your box. But that's all 3 rods now with no lures on them, just hooks. So we're gonna make a move. We're gonna move on and go try a new location. It's only 1:30, so it feels like it's 5, just the way it gets dark so early now. But we're gonna pack up, probably eat lunch, and go north. We're gonna go north. We're gonna pass where the boat ramp is and go north and try some dock. I don't know. We'll figure it out. We'll find a spot that we never fished and try that. How about that? All right, guys, that's gonna conclude today. I was gonna stop somewhere else and try it and fish, but you know, I gotta wash the boat still. I don't have to clean any fish, which is a good thing. I still have fish in the fridge, so I'm not really trying to overload and get too much fish. You know, it seems to go bad that way. I don't like to take more than what I can eat. But yeah, we caught a lot of fish today. I did. I caught a lot of fish today. You guys followed along in the video. I hope you guys liked this video. It was a great day. It was fun for me. I like doing this kind of stuff. I love trout fishing, red, snook, all that inshore stuff. So if you guys like this video, please subscribe, give the thumbs up, keep watching. And that's all I can ask. I'm gonna keep making the videos. So if you guys ever have any questions about the lures I'm using, or the rods, or the reels, if it's not in the description, feel free to drop that comment. I'll describe it the best I can. But most of the rods that I'm using are the Bull Bay Banshee. That's pretty much my go-to. That's the rod I usually pick up first. The Daiwa BGMQ, I've been using that reel for I'd say about 8 months now. Loving that reel. Definitely gonna buy another one, get it on another rod. The Shimano Stratic, I've had it for 8 years, never been serviced, and it's still kicking. You saw I was catching trout today. So yeah, if you guys, I'm kind of out of words now, so like I said, if you guys like these videos, please like them. If you like them, like them. If you don't, still like them. But till next time.